Okay, check out another one here at Victory Honda Plymouth. I brought it inside because it's kind of cold outside, but the deals are hot. Check this one out. This is a 2023 Honda Odyssey. This is the Touring model, so it's one of the top of the line models. It's got lots of great features for you and the family. This particular car has brand new Michelin tires on it. It's only got 47,000 miles. It's a one owner vehicle. It was bought here brand new, right here at Victory Honda Plymouth. He just turned it in and got something different. It's your lucky day. We have this car. It's been through the shop, 182 point inspection. We checked it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. A Honda certified vehicle, so it's backed with a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Comes with all the great benefits of the certified program, so you can rest assured that you're getting a pre-owned vehicle that's been reconditioned and put on the road ready to go, just as if it was like a new vehicle, meaning like all the fluids, the filters, the tires, the brakes, everything is up to their specification, so it can be backed with that guarantee. Come check it out today at Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. Show you the alloy wheels, the brand new Michelin tires, lots of tread on them there. Show you the moonroof. It's got black leather interior. Just came back from the detail shop. There you go, the DVD player. It's gonna have both sets of keys. As always, Carfax report, maintenance records. It's got a middle seat there that is removable. A lot of people like to keep it in the garage or keep it in the back, so that way it's captain's chairs in the middle if you want, or you can leave it in. 8 passengers if you leave it in. There's the back seat that folds flat into the floor. DVD player again. View of the inside. Lots of great features here. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth. Power door. Shut that there. Walk around to the back. It's got the power liftgate in the back. You just hit the button. It'll open up for you just like that. Show you there, the mats are in the back. Like I said, it just came back from detail, so the mats are in the back. Those are the seats that fold down flat into the floor. Show you the inside there. Just hit the button again. The door will close. Come check it out today. This is the one you've been waiting for. Lots of great features. This van is #1 in the market for a reason. Quality, reliability, resale value. And I ask people all the time, when's the last time you saw a Honda Odyssey stranded on the side of the road? And nobody can ever come up with an answer. That's a good thing. Check it out today.